How to fix a blurry profile picture on WhatsApp. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this quick tutorial, I'll be showing you how to fix a blurry profile picture on WhatsApp. So if you also see your friends or your one profile picture to be blurry, then there might be two conditions that is causing that. So one first reason is your Wi-Fi or network might be slow or of low quality. So just make sure you have correct or strong network connection. You may as well check it under the Google by heading over to speed or fast.com, just like this. So let me just show you. You can check out your internet speed like this, up to what it is providing or ISP is providing to you, and based on that you can verify that your internet connection is fast. So once you verify your internet connection, the second thing you have to do is make sure your image that you are uploading to your profile picture, that you have uploaded to your profile picture, is of high quality. So if your image is of not high quality, then there might be issue regarding your image being blurry. So once you do that, the last thing what you want to do is just come over to your settings, and if your image is still blurry, make sure you change your Wi-Fi settings and switch to a different strong Wi-Fi, and come over here and just select your image by simply tapping on camera icon over here, and from your gallery section just upload a new photo of high quality, just like this, and your issue of photos being profile pictures being blurry should be fixed. So that is it for today guys. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.